Alright, cooking up the meat for the casserole. This is called the Good Neighbor Casserole from a Christian school book that I got. It's like their cookbook, vintage, really niche, so the process has started. Stay tuned. Okay, so everything is layered. The ground beef, onions, carrots, potatoes, the tomato bisque soup, the evaporated milk, all that good stuff. We're going to top this and bake it low and slow for a few hours. Looks absolutely beautiful when it comes out of the oven and you take the lid off. About 2 hours, cooked it up. MashaAllah. Great color profile, I must say. Alright, the flavor is super tangy because of the carrots. And I really like the texture because of the ground beef. But the acidity of the tomatoes is also quite nice. I think this would be perfect for a rainy day or snow day because of the robust savoriness. Maybe even add in a little bit of thyme next time. That's what I'll do. Maybe even a pinch of garlic, I'd say. But overall, pretty good recipe, mashallah.